along to you with all the bad weather that's in the area, all the severe weather that's in the area. We're going to bring that to you. Hang on for just a second, JT. We're going to pass things over to Bill Beaker coming in from the KMOX newsroom with some new information.
Well, I just want to give you an idea of what's going on out there. Some large trees down in Bourbon and Leesburg, and rope-speaking wall cloud spotted at Lamar Road and Old Braes Summit Road. That's about a mile west of Pacific. So we are getting reports of damage at this time, along with that one report of egg-sized hail in the area. This in association with a tornado warning for northeastern Franklin County.